All right, so for all of you who are joining us again for Science Corner, we have something really cool today.
Oh, yeah.
And something I think will appeal to a lot of our listeners because this is something that can help you in your everyday lives and also help with any research or any, scientific things you're looking into. It's mind maps.
That's a good one?
It is a good one, and it is something that I think will help a lot of people. So
Absolutely.
we're excited to get into it.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of different research today that we've done about mind maps, and we're going to kind of take a deep dive today into what they are, how they work, the benefits of them,
Yeah.
and different tips and tricks, and really like how to use them effectively. So I'm excited.
Yeah, this will be good.
Yeah. So I guess first and foremost, what is a mind map?
So a mind map, basically, it's a way of visually organizing information. And I think one of the sources we were looking at said it's like a city map. Right. Where you have the center of the city is your main idea, and then you have roads that go out to other important things. Those are like your main thoughts. And then you have the little side streets that are like your secondary thoughts. And then images are like landmarks.
Okay. I like that.
Yeah, it's a really good analogy because it kind of shows you that it's not linear.
Yeah.
Right? So a mind map, it takes information, and instead of just putting it in a list, you're kind of branching it out and showing how all the different pieces connect to each other.
That's very different than like typical note-taking that you would think of.
Exactly. Yeah, it's not linear.
Okay.
And so the key characteristics I think they mentioned were you have a central subject.
Okay.
And then radiating out from that, you have your main themes, and those are on branches.
Right.
And then on those branches, you have lines that go out, and those are your secondary thoughts. And on those lines, you'd put keywords or images or, short phrases.
It's all connected, right?
And it's all connected, yeah.
So how do you get started with this?
So the first thing you do is you put your central idea right in the middle of the page.
Okay.
And, they say maybe landscape orientation might be better.
Okay.
Because it gives you more space to branch out.
Oh, that makes sense.
And then you branch out.
Okay.
Right? So you put your main concepts and subtopics, going out from the center.
Okay.
You can use lines, arrows, speech bubbles.
Oh, wow.
Different colors to show the connections between things.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. So it's really visual.
So you can kind of tailor it to how your brain works.
Exactly.
Oh, that's good.
And then as you go up further, you can add more details, facts, examples, sources to the sub-branches.
Okay.
And the idea is to keep it succinct. So you would use keywords or short phrases.
Gotcha.
But some sources did say that as you get further out,
Okay.
you can add fuller sentences or quotes or even links if you're doing it digitally.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah.
So it can evolve as it grows out.
Exactly.
That's cool.
And then as you're going, you want to review it and draw connections between the different branches.
Okay.
Identify gaps in your research.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Rearrange, add, or remove branches as you need to.
Okay.
So it's a living document.
Yeah.
And they also say that, for your central idea, think about maybe using colors or doodles or images.
Oh, yeah.
Just to make it really visually appealing.
Sure.
And they said, think about the key concepts that you need to have a well-rounded understanding of the subject. So basics, opposing views, solutions, all that kind of stuff.
Okay.
So that when you look at your mind map, you've really thought about the whole picture.
And you can really see everything laid out in front of you.
Yeah.
So now I guess the question is like, why do this?
Well, there are a lot of benefits.
Okay.
For one thing, it enhances your comprehension. Because
wow.
you're visually structuring your thoughts and ideas.
Yeah.
It helps you identify relationships and hierarchies among information. It helps you remember things better because it's visual and you're making associations.
Right.
It promotes creative thinking and brainstorming because you can see connections that you might not have seen before.
Interesting.
Yeah. It's adaptable to various types of content.
Like what?
Oh, project planning, studying, note-taking.
Yeah.
Pretty much anything.
So you could really use it for everything.
Pretty much, yeah.
That's cool.
It encourages active participation and deeper engagement with the material.
Yeah.
It streamlines information organization, so you make sure you're not overlooking anything.
Sure.
And it provides an overview of a large subject in a concise format.
Okay.
So you can see the bigger picture and creative pathways.
Okay.
And some studies suggest that it can actually lead to higher grades.
Oh, wow.
And it can be helpful for students with dyslexia and autism.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
So like for people who learn differently, this is a really great tool for them.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, cool. So we know the benefits. We know what it is. How do we make a really good one?
Okay, so there are a lot of tips
Okay.
for effective mind mapping.
Lay it on me.
Okay, so first of all, use different colors.
Okay.
That helps you categorize information
Okay.
and draw attention to certain things.
Yeah.
Like you could use green for positive things and red for challenges,
Okay.
or whatever works for you.
Right.
And they say use bright colors near the central idea
Okay.
because that helps you focus.
Makes sense.
Use keywords instead of full sentences.
Okay.
And put those keywords on lines or in boxes or circles.
Okay.
And print them clearly and use capital letters for main themes and lowercase for sub-themes.
Okay.
So that you can see the hierarchy.
Yeah.
Utilize images, icons, and symbols.
Oh, yeah.
That's a great way to encapsulate complex ideas.
Right.
And it helps you remember things better.
Okay.
Like you could use a light bulb for ideas or a caution sign for risks.
Right.
Anything that works for you.
So it's kind of like you're creating your own little language.
Exactly, yeah. That's cool.
Group-related ideas together visually.
Yeah.
Regularly revise and expand your mind maps as you learn new things.
Right.
Maintain clarity in branching and clustering.
Sure.
Consider digital mind mapping software.
Oh, yeah.
There's some really great software out there.
Are there any that you like?
I think Lucid Stark is a good one.
Okay.
And there are a lot of others too.
Oh.
And with digital software, you can collaborate with others.
Ooh,
and you
wow.
can add multimedia elements.
Like what?
Like images, videos, audio.
Wow.
Yeah, it's really cool.
So you could even link to a research paper.
Exactly, yeah.
Wow.
And they say keep it simple, concise wording for your nodes and branches.
Okay.
Prioritize information in a logical and hierarchical order.
Right.
Foster creativity and allow for flexibility.
Sure.
Iterate and refine the mind map as you go.
And adjust line lengths, colors, and widths to signify importance and connections. So,
Yeah.
You can really get creative with it.
Yeah, that's cool.
They also say draw quickly without pausing or editing in the initial stages.
Oh,
Just get your ideas out there.
don't overthink it.
Yeah, don't overthink it.
Just get it down.
Yeah, and leave some space for adding information later.
Okay, that's a good tip.
Yeah.
So what can we use mind maps for?
Oh my gosh, so many things.
Okay, like what?
Brainstorming.
Okay.
Planning,
Sure.
studying, learning, organizing ideas, problem solving,
Right.
decision making, presenting information,
Wow.
strategic planning, customer experience analysis, risk management,
Okay.
marketing strategy.
Oh, it's not just like a school thing.
No, it's for everyone.
Cool.
Yeah. And they say it's really good for educational environments,
Okay.
to help students summarize information or demystify complex topics.
Right.
It's good for project management,
Sir.
breaking down projects, highlighting details, planning, resolving issues.
What's sense?
Personal development,
Okay.
corporate strategy, team collaboration, UX design,
Oh, wow.
for user journey maps or information architecture or concept ideation.
Okay.
So yeah, it's really a versatile tool.
That's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, it's a lot of stuff.
So how is this different from just like a regular outline?
So a regular outline is very linear.
Okay.
You have to go from left to right and top to bottom.
Right.
But our brains don't work that way.
Right.
Our brains scan things non-linearly.
Okay.
So a mind map is more natural for our brains.
Okay.
And they say that mind maps use both left and right brain thinking tools,
Okay.
which helps enhance clarity and organization.
Gotcha.
And they say that mind maps constructively use imagination, association, and location,
Okay.
which a traditional outline doesn't really do.
Yeah. So how would you use this to write like an essay, for example?
So the first thing you do is you look at your mind map and you determine what's the main idea or
Got
the
it.
controlling point. And then each paragraph in your essay should contain one idea
Okay.
or aspect that's relevant to that central theme.
Okay.
And you would use the mind map as a roadmap to guide your research
Gotcha.
and stay focused.
And make sure that like each paragraph is represented in your mind map.
Exactly.
Yeah. It's really cool.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah,
Okay, so we've learned a lot today about mind maps.
we have.
So to kind of wrap things up, what are the key takeaways?
So the key takeaway is that mind maps are a great way to visually organize information.
Okay.
They can help you learn better, remember things better,
Yeah.
be more creative, and they can be used for a variety of purposes.
Yeah.
So I would encourage everyone to try using mind maps
Yeah.
and see how they can benefit you.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for joining us today.
It was my pleasure.
I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
And for our listeners out there, try mind mapping and let us know how it goes.
Yeah, I'd love to hear about it.
Yeah. And we'll see you next time on Science Corner.
See ya.
Bye.